OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. Let's take a look at creating a grid pattern of holes. All we need to do is specify the diameter and specify the number of holes in X and Y. At this point, we can use coordinate input, we can grid point snap or entity snap to create the grid pattern. Another variation of this is creating just a single row of holes. That's just as simple, just by changing the parameters and again digitizing where you'd like to create the holes. If you'd like to, you can mix and match. For example, let's use a 4-hole pattern. Let's increase the diameter, and we'll just add those to the 4 outside holes of our grid. At this point, the holes can be further modified. They can be used to cut into a solid model, or toolpath can be easily applied. OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. Don't forget to click the subscribe button.